way polyjacking works is the same as mudjacking works. It's a newer process that lasts longer. What we do is we come in and we put small 5/8 holes into the concrete itself. Once we have that, we inject a 1-to-1 foam ratio underneath the concrete. It goes in very, very liquidy, very watery, and fills the void. As it fills the void, it starts to expand. As it expands, it compacts the soil underneath it and then starts the recovery process. The benefit of that is as you compact the soil, it makes it a more sturdier foundation for the concrete itself when you go to lift. The pros of polyjacking is it's a third the cost of replacing the concrete itself. The cons is it is a repair. You might not get the full recovery that you are looking for, but you will get something that will give you 5, 10, or 15 years longevity out of the concrete itself. So when you were discussing lifting concrete or filling voids, there's two methods. You have polyjacking and mudjacking. At the beginning, you get the same results. You get the void fill, you get the recovery, whether you use polyjacking or mudjacking. The benefit is polyjacking lasts longer. It's 10 times lighter than mud, and it fills the void better because it goes in like water, so it finds the cracks and crevices of the soil itself, and whatever voids is easier than mud does. When KC Pier comes out and takes a look at the issues you have at hand, if you have a driveway or a sidewalk that has settled and hasn't completely crumbled, polyjacking is the right repair for what you're doing. We can fill the void, get it back up to where it was when it was poured, and give you longevity out of the concrete itself. When polyjacking or mudjacking is not the right repair is when you've waited too long and the concrete itself has crumbled into too many different segments, and you won't be able to get it all recovered.